Back up to me nice clean hot here, husband.
Yeah.
You can go model on magazine.
Yeah, I can go back chase girls now.
What?
Yeah.
You can what?
I can go back and chase girl and looking after girls.
So who was stopping you from chasing
My
girl?
hairstyle.
Hi Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new day in JA. You guys, I'm in the kitchen doing breakfast. I am making some oatmeal porridge and I'm boiling some eggs and I'm making some tea so babe can get up and get something to eat, because you guys know that we're not feeling 100. As you guys can hear my voice, I feel like a strong man. So I'm getting some breakfast. Oh, my ears. I'm getting some breakfast ready so babe can get up and have some tea. So I'm making him some mint tea so that he can have something hot to kind of clear his throat. Yeah, so that's what's going on right now. Hopefully you guys are doing well. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, stay encouraged in whatever it is that you set out to do today, and let nobody tell you that you cannot do whatever you set out to do. The key to accomplish anything that you want to do is work in silence and let your result make all the noise. Love you guys. Have a good day. If it's your first time to the channel, be sure to subscribe and you can keep up with the fam bam. And of course, you guys will see the rest of the fam bam right now. Hold on, hold on. But first, let me show you in the butt. Alright, so oats porridge ready to go nice for the entire crew. Eggs over there boiling for the crew, and I have some bread toasting over there, and babe, tea about to go down right now. Babe. Alright, here goes breakfast for the king. Say morning to the face.
That one. Mama?
Yes.
I wish I had a Lego mat.
You wish you had a Lego mat?
Yeah.
Well, if we see one, we can buy it, okay? Stop doing that before you make your porridge spill. Maybe we'll check. Sarah! Princess! Hello! Say good morning. Say good morning. Say morning, morning. Say morning, morning, princess. Hello? Sarah! Y'all know she watching TV, right? Say morning. Say morning. What are you doing? Huh? You want porridge? Ready for porridge? Yes? Yes? Here's something else.
Hi guys. Good morning. Good morning, good morning. I had a good night. Let's see if today I feel better than yesterday. So slowly.
Alright, enjoy breakfast.
give you a ticket.
Why are you giving me a ticket, sir?
Because working is on a screen.
I'm working on a screen.
Yes.
And that's why you're giving me a ticket?
Yes, because we're not supposed to. The thing very good and healthy is to exercise, not work because the only way to work is on a screen.
Okay, so
You should work on a paper or something like that.
Okay, I should be working on a paper, not on a screen.
Yes.
Okay, so you're writing me a ticket.
Yes.
Okay, officer.
They're going to spend it and take off this too.
So you have to take off your outfit to write me the ticket?
Yes.
He's gone to the table to write me the ticket. You're too funny.
Stop laughing. Stop laughing. It's not funny. It's not funny.
Okay, I'm not laughing anymore.
No, you're still laughing now. So now I need to give you 2 tickets. One for not stopping to laugh and one for working on the screen.
Okay.
If I give you 1 more ticket, you'll be in jail.
Okay.
So when I come back, I don't want to see you working on the screen.
But I have to work.
Working on a paper.
But I have to work, Ty.
So
If I don't work to make money, how do you eat?
you just exercise. Exercise is to be stronger, and running is to be faster.
Okay.
You should do that
Oh.
every day.
Okay, sir.
I've only seen you exercising for only a long time.
Okay, sir.
A very, very long time. And now you're not exercising. You're every day now you're not exercising. You're supposed to exercise.
Okay.
If you don't exercise, what's going to happen for you to get faster or stronger? You need to start exercising.
Okay, sir. I'll exercise.
Okay, so I'm going to prepare the 2 tickets.
Okay, officer. My son is giving me tickets. I need to exercise, he says, and not work on the screen.
Exercise right now.
Tyler, I have work to do.
But exercising is doing
I'll
good.
exercise later.
Right now, adults are going to give you another ticket and you'll be in jail.
Okay, sir, I'm gonna work.
Right now, please.
Tyler, leave me alone in Jesus' name. Hey, this little girl love music. She love dancing. Hey, oh, go Sarah. Hey, get it, girl. Go. Hey, get it, girl. Yeah. Go. Get it. Go again, Sarah. Go, Sarah. Na, did it. Get it, girl. Get it. Hey, get it. Hey, Hey. You're your mother's child. Mama hungry, I know. Stefan? Hungry belly?
Hungry belly.
You only see Carl out the whole when it's food time.
Papa,
He looks like a dog. You're not sure, and you put the repeat
What you say, Papa?
She having her own party.
Papa, what you say? Papa, you're
Yes. Hey, get it, girl. Get it, girl. Tell them you don't need no music. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. You guys know where I'm at, right? You guys know where I'm at. Always in the kitchen, cooking up something. I'm in the kitchen cooking, and I am making dinner for the family. For dinner today, I am making fish.
What are you making?
Fish. I am making fish
Oh, I remember.
and mixed veg, which is broccoli, and I'm gonna open a tin of mixed veg and put on that. However, I have some rice and corned beef left over from last night that somebody requested. Tyler said that's what he wants for dinner tonight again.
What one? What y'all say? Mama.
His few little lies.
What y'all say, my yacht? Mama, what y'all say?
Me nah say nothing, my youth. Me there in the kitchen around a boat here, say. What ya say, Tyler?
Me not care.
You know what?
Me not care.
What does that mean?
I don't care.
Me no care. Me no care. Alright guys, so this is just some white fish, our favorite white fish, frozen fish actually, that I seasoned and add breadcrumbs to it, and then I'm gonna fry them. Broccoli taking a quick blanch. I can turn this off right now. So over here I'm gonna fry these poisson. Poisson is fish in English. Poisson c'est français, it's French. Yes, poisson c'est fish. And there goes dinner for today. All done. And him with his cabbage and corned beef. Pick out all the sweet peppers.
What y'all say?
Eat, that me I say eat. Foodie, it's foodie time. It's foodie time. Hey, foodie time. It's foodie time. It's foodie time. Foodie time. It's foodie time. Foodie time. Come foodie, come. It's foodie time. It's foodie time. It's foodie time. It's foodie time. It's food time. Do the food dance. Do the food dance. Do the food dance. Do the food dance. Do the food dance.
Tout ça, ou c'est pas fait?
Was good. Dinner is now done. Kitchen is all clean, and we're on two different missions. I am going to give Tyler a haircut over there, and Babe is going to feed the princess over there.
I'm the big.
And the bigger your heart, the more it will hold. When nights are black and when days are gray, you'll be brave and be bright so no shadows can stay. Then you will discover all there is to see, and become anybody that you would like to be. And then I look at you and you look at me, and I love you, whoever you've grown up to be. Yay! All done. Night night. Tell Faves night night. Hey, bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. See you guys tomorrow. She wants to do bye bye. Bye bye. Hi, you wet up yourself when you brush your teeth?
No, I didn't. Where? And where?
Say night night. Say night night.
Later.
Run along to bed.
Night night. How we say night night in Jamaican patois?
Night night.
Night night.
Mm-hmm.
Not night night.
Back up to me nice,
Take it off
clean,
away,
hot
baby.
hair, husband.
Yeah.
You can go model on the magazine.
Yeah, I can go back chase girls now.
What?
Yeah.
You can what?
I can go back and chase girl and looking after girls.
So who was stopping you from chasing
My
girl?
hairstyle.
So I cut your hair for you to go and chase girl.
Yeah, you saved my life.
You guys see what I have to deal with? You see what I have to deal with? Alright.
I'm not that hard to live.
What?
I'm that hard to live with.
I'm very hard to live
I'm
with.
very hard to live with.
Mhm. Anyway, you guys, I give this crazy one a haircut and Tyler a haircut. He's looking sharp for school tomorrow. And everybody's off to bed, and now it's just us. Now we're going to watch
Movie.
The 100, and then we're gonna head to bed. So we're just coming on to end today's vlog. We're not gonna give you guys any expressions tonight. So
Give this video a thumbs up.
and
Catch up and peep up.
catch up and keep up, not peep up. Don't follow Tyler and Babe. Comment down below, subscribe if you are new, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.